Welcome to today's Explainer. We've got a really special, super practical session lined up for you today. We're diving into part one of a fantastic 10-part tutorial called Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults. Now, this was put together by Virtualization Options LLC. They're this wonderful research, education, and advisory organization based out of Colorado. And you know what's great? They designed this entire guide specifically with older adults in mind. That means absolutely zero confusing tech jargon. So hey, if you've ever felt, I don't know, a little left behind by how fast technology moves these days, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to keep things warm, unhurried, and perfectly clear. Here is a quick roadmap of what we'll cover today. First, welcome to artificial intelligence. Second, you already use AI. Third, how AI actually learns. And finally, exploring generative AI. All right, let's jump right in. Section 1. Welcome to artificial intelligence. Okay, let's dive into this and just clear up any confusion right out of the gate. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Now, I totally get it. That term, or AI as people call it, can sound a little bit like, well, scary science fiction, right? When we hear those words, a lot of us instantly picture robots taking over the world in some big Hollywood blockbuster. We think of these cold, calculating machines that are just impossible to understand. But I promise you, the reality is incredibly simple, entirely safe, and surprisingly helpful for your day-to-day life. It's really not something to be feared. Actually, it's something to welcome as a super convenient resource. The real definition is beautifully straightforward. Artificial intelligence is simply a computer program that learns from experience and helps you do things. That is literally it. There is absolutely no technical background needed to understand or use it. You don't need to know how to code, and you definitely don't need a degree in computer science. Think of it as just a tool, exactly like your microwave, your television, or your telephone. It's just designed to make your day a little bit easier. You just press a few buttons, give it a simple instruction, and it does all the heavy lifting for you right behind the scenes. Section 2. You already use AI. Now, to prove just how normal this tool actually is, let's look at a pretty comforting truth. You might not even realize it, but you are likely already a highly successful AI user. Think about it. Have you ever turned on the TV and had Netflix suggest a show that you ended up really enjoying just based on a movie you watched last week? Or maybe you've noticed your smartphone's autocorrect instantly fixing a misspelled word while you're trying to text a quick message to your grandkids. Or perhaps you've used Google Maps in the car and it just automatically rerouted you onto a completely different street to avoid a sudden traffic jam. Every single one of those convenient, everyday moments, things we honestly just take completely for granted, is actually AI working quietly in the background to make our lives run smoother. So instead of thinking of AI as some sort of intimidating, overly complex technology, just think of it as a tireless assistant. Seriously, it's like having a really helpful, dedicated aide who never gets tired, never needs to clock out for a coffee break, and is always standing by, ready to help you day or night. Whether it's finding the absolute fastest route to the grocery store or just helping you spell a tricky word, this assistant's only job is to be helpful and save you time and energy. Section 3. How AI actually learns. And this brilliantly illustrates a great point. You might be wondering, if it's just a computer program, how does this digital assistant actually get so smart? Well, think about human learning for a second. How did you learn to cook? You probably learned by watching someone else, maybe your mother or grandmother in the kitchen, by practicing over and over, and by looking at recipes until you just knew them by heart, right? AI learning is incredibly similar, it just operates on a much, much larger scale. Instead of standing in a kitchen practicing a pie crust, the computer gets smart by studying millions of examples of text, images, or maps. It reads books, articles, and data, recognizing patterns from all those examples, very much like how you recognize a recipe's ingredients. Through all of that massive exposure, it learns exactly how to respond correctly. Let's move to Section 4, Exploring Generative AI. Let's see how this builds into a newer, incredibly fascinating capability that goes way beyond just organizing information or giving you driving directions. Generative AI goes a step further, and the clue is right there in the word generative. It generates or creates. Instead of just analyzing things that already exist in the world, it can actually create brand new things from scratch, just based on your everyday instructions. It can help write a personalized letter for you, answer a highly complex question in simple terms, or even accurately describe what's happening in an old family photo. It literally generates fresh new content on demand. And that is exactly what makes it such an incredibly powerful personal aid. Let's look at a highly practical, really empowering example of this technology in action, straight from the guide. You can actually use generative AI to completely streamline preparing for your doctor visits. I mean, we all know that visiting the doctor can sometimes feel rushed or, let's be honest, slightly overwhelming. You only have a limited amount of time in that examination room, and it's so easy to forget what you wanted to ask the second the appointment begins. Well, using this technology allows you to take charge of your personal healthcare preparation beforehand in a whole new way. It ensures you get the absolute most out of your visit. For instance, imagine you have an upcoming checkup. You could simply type your specific situation into an AI tool like ChatGPT, asking a plain, everyday question like, "What questions should I ask my doctor about high blood pressure?" Just like that, within seconds, your tireless digital assistant will generate a thoughtful, comprehensive, and super helpful list of questions. You can easily read through them, pick the ones that apply best to how you've been feeling lately, jot them down on a notepad, and carry them right into your next appointment with absolute confidence. It's a real game changer.
Now, what's really interesting here is how seamlessly this tool can handle complicated medical terminology. Sometimes, after an appointment, you might see a scary or confusing medical term on your chart or maybe in your test results. Instead of sitting there worrying or trying to decode a dense, heavy medical dictionary, you can simply type a question into the AI, like, "What does atrial fibrillation mean?" You can command the AI to explain complex medical jargon in plain, everyday, easy to understand language. It breaks things down so patiently, completely removing the intimidation factor from your personal healthcare journey.
So, the crucial point here is this very important safety reminder. AI is a wonderfully helpful starting point for information gathering and brainstorming. But of course, you must always, always confirm any medical information or decisions with your actual doctor. AI isn't here to replace the warmth of human connection or the nuanced expertise of a professional medical advisor. It's simply an incredibly capable tool to help you thrive and stay informed. Which leaves us with a fun question for you to ponder today. Now that you know you have a tireless, incredibly smart digital assistant waiting for you, what mundane task might you ask it to help you with today?